Sir, if you see, this shoe looks amazing. ये Adidas की ना बेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी से बना है, which gives endless energy return.
Oh, that's great.
Sir, इसका boost foam ना makes it very lightweight and flexible for a comfortable and a softer ride.
Yeah, I know that.
Sir, इसकी खास बात है इसका प्राइम नेट अपर.
I think.
सर, ये आपके फुट को बहुत कूल रखेगा. सर, एक बार ट्राई करके देखिए आप.
I think you are a genius.
No, सर, एक बार ट्राई तो करो सर.
Thank you.
What a scene, guys. Though I'm laughing, but this is actually serious. When you are interacting with a knowledgeable customer, why to download all your gyan with him? You don't. Customer even gave a buying signal, but our RA just went on and on and on. Oh. हमें एक knowledgeable customer को बहुत ही होशियारी के साथ हैंडल करना चाहिए और सबसे पहले उनकी ज़रूरतों को समझिए, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली उन्हें प्रोडक्ट दिखाइए. बट प्लीज उन्हें ज्यादा समझाने की कोशिश ना करें. दिस विल इरिटेट देम एंड दे विल लीव आवर स्टोर. इट लीव्स अ बैड इंप्रेशन अबाउट आवर ब्रांड. चलिए अब एक ऐसी सिचुएशन देखते हैं जहां कस्टमर को स्पोर्ट्स और लाइफस्टाइल की नॉलेज ही नहीं है. कम.
So what kind of shoe you are looking for?
I'm looking for running shoes.
So may I ask you how often do you run?
How does it matter?
So because at Adidas we have a wide collection of running shoes like the Boost, the Spring Blade, and both of them have very different technology जो कि customer की एक specific need को cater करता है.
I really did not know Adidas में इतनी technologies है.
So Adidas means state of the art technology. It's worn and endorsed by the sports star across the world. And so not only the shoes, the apparel collection is also high tech.
Really?
Yes sir, this is Adidas, the brand with 3 stripes. Now may I ask you how often do you run?
Well, you know, I have just started running and I want to continue this running every day now.
That's excellent, sir. May I ask you what kind of ground you run on? Is it a hard ground or a treadmill?
Hard ground, of course.
If it's a hard ground, then I would recommend you Ultra Boost because it has Boost technology which is best in the running industry and it's an excellent shoe, sir.
Looks good, but बहुत महंगा है ये.
So let me explain you the benefit of the shoe. So it provides you maximum energy return with responsive cushioning and soft comfort in one.
Okay.
And जो इसका upper है, it gives you a good fit and support. The
Really?
outsole is really durable and gives you a good grip for enhancing your performance.
Enhanced performance. वो कैसे?
Let me explain you. The shoe provides you a perfect fit, feel and transition. The upper, which is made up of prime knit, it's very stretchable, breathable and gives you a sock-like fit. So this shoe provides you responsive cushioning just like a racing car and soft comfort like you're sitting on the couch. And the Boost foam is made up of energy capsules which offers energy return and enhances your performance.
Great, Sonia. You have fantastic knowledge about the product.
So why don't you try the shoe and actually feel what I said?
Yeah, sure.
5 Gs. Points to focus. Give service, convincing the customers. Know your products well. Convince customer using USP and FAB. Describing product benefits first and then the features or technologies with passion. Engage customers by sharing product stories or sporting achievements. Encourage customers to touch and feel the product and ultimately try them on. If the product is out of stock, offer an alternative or check the product availability from another store or through endless aisle. Know the similarities and differences between products. Don't be a salesman. Be a consultant. A good product demonstration is half the battle won.
So let me check your foot size. It's 9. Sir, I'll just be back with your shoes. Till that time, you can have a look at our latest running collection.
Yeah, sure.
So I've got size 9 and 10 with an alternative color.
Oh, thanks.
So please wear the trial socks till the time I prepare your shoes.
Thank you.
So please have a walk with these shoes and tell me how do you feel.
These are amazing.
5 Gs. Points to focus. Give service, fitting experience. Encourage customer to try the product. Check size and fit. Give 3 footwear options for trial, along with clean trial socks. Ask customer's opinion. Listen patiently.
I think shoes too costly है.
सर ये एडिडास है. It's one of the best brands you can buy.
हाँ लेकिन बट और भी ब्रांड्स हैं मार्केट में which are equally good but not as expensive.
सर जो आपको खरीदना है वो तो आपकी मर्जी है. बट जैसे कि मैंने कहा, this is Adidas. Adidas is the best.
Oh really? Thank you.
Adidas is the best. Adidas is the best. What if customer feels there are other good brands available in the market that too at cheaper rate than Adidas? Ari should only go and explain him why Adidas is the best. Don't you think so? So go over to the customer and explain him, prove it to him why Adidas is the best. How come? Let's see how.
You know what? This shoe is too costly यार.
सर जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, इसमें आपको एक नहीं बल्कि बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं सर. और इसमें एडिडास की बेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करी गई है. सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट फुट लैंडिंग, टो ऑफ और एनर्जी रिटर्न. और सर आप मेरा यकीन मानिए, आप इसे पहनेंगे तो बिल्कुल भी स्ट्रेस आउट फील नहीं करेंगे. इट विल कीप यू फ्रेश द इंटायर डे. और सर मैं तो आपको सजेस्ट करूँगा कि इसे पहनिए और एक बार वॉक करके देखिए सर.
Sure, not an bad idea.
सर आपका फुट साइज 9 होगा?
हाँ yes please.
Sure, sir. So I'll get the size 9, and so till then, please feel free to check our running collections right over there, sir.
Okay, great.
I'll just be back.
Sure.
All right, sir. So, sir, I've got size 9 and size 10 of the shoe that you like, and just an alternate color just for you to try on.
Thanks. You have a mirror here?
Sir, sure. This side, please.
Oh, thank you.
Sir, these shoes are looking very nice on you. Sir, will you excuse me for a moment? I'll just be back.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you?
Very good.
Vinod, he will help you, ma'am. So, sir, how's the fit?
The fit is good, but it's way too expensive.
सर लेकिन आप ये भी तो देखिए, आपको कितने सारे बेनिफिट्स मिल रहे हैं इसके साथ. आपको ग्रेट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मिल रही है, ग्रेट कुशनिंग मिल रही है, ग्रेट सपोर्ट मिल रहा है. और आप मेरा यकीन मानिए सर, आपको बिल्कुल भी स्ट्रेस आउट फील नहीं होगा रनिंग करते हुए.
यार वो तो ठीक है, but what about this upper part? It may tear off.
Sir, this is Adidas, the best in sportswear technology. Let me assure you, this is the highest selling running shoe. और सर ये बहुत ही ड्यूरेबल है. सर एथलीट्स तो इसके साथ मैराथन दौड़ते हैं. और सर ये तब तक वेयर ऑफ नहीं होगा जब तक कोई पॉइंटेड या शार्प चीज़ इसको नहीं काटती. और रनिंग करते हुए ऐसा कभी होगा नहीं.
Okay. I'll buy it.
All right, sir.
5 Gs. Points to focus. Give service, fitting experience, objection handling. Handle objection or doubt with a positive attitude. Reinforce benefits and or tell product success stories. Relate product features to customer benefits. Complement customer's choice. Friendly and helpful fitting experience leads to converting a customer to a buyer.
I think I'll come later. Can't make up my mind right now.
If you like the shoe, then why come back later?
I like the shoe, but it's out of my budget.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay then. Maybe I'll come later along with my wife.
Sure, no problem.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
कस्टमर को शायद थोड़े और एश्योरेंस की जरूरत थी कि क्या उसे उसके पैसे का पूरा रिटर्न मिल पाएगा. बट वेयर वॉज द एश्योरेंस? इतनी मेहनत के बाद कस्टमर को यूं ही जाने दिया, और वो भी ये कह के ओके सर नो प्रॉब्लम. डोंट यू गाइस थिंक सो? दिस इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. एनी कस्टमर वॉकिंग आउट ऑफ अ स्टोर without buying anything is a loss of opportunity. Maybe who knows? But if we can convert this customer as a buyer, that is an opportunity for us for lifetime. By becoming a loyal customer who keeps on coming back to us and keeps on buying from us, what should be the strategy of winning them over? How should we close such deal? Boss, इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद भी अगर कस्टमर को यूं ही जाने दिया तो क्या किया? See the next clip.
Sir, these shoes look really nice on you.
I think I'll come back later along with my wife.
Sir, आप जब भी वापस आना चाहें, you're always welcome. Once Adidas customer, always Adidas customer. Sir, but I'm sure you like these shoes, isn't it?
Yeah, I do like the shoe, but it's out of my budget.
So, let me assure you, it will be a good value for money and you're gonna have a great running experience. So, these are engineered shoes specially designed as per customer needs and after a lot of research. And a right shoe is an investment.
Okay, give me.
Okay, sir, sure. So, you've made a great decision.
I hope so.
सर हमारे पास रनिंग के लिए नई रेंज ऑफ शॉर्ट्स और टी शर्ट्स आई हैं अगर आप देखना चाहें तो
हाँ ज़रूर देख सकते हैं.
सर प्लीज दिस साइड
5 Gs. Points to focus. Give service, maximizing opportunities. Capitalize on brand credibility and build trust in the brand. Always look for opportunities to suggest additional products once customers' primary need is fulfilled. Maximize sales by introducing add-on products, hot sellers, new arrivals, campaign products. Showcasing new arrivals after fulfilling the primary need of the customer is the key to maximize sales.
So this is our new range of apparel.
Nice. Short, huh?
So it's with Adidas Climacool technology, which keeps you cool and dry the entire day. So it even enhances your performance. So this technology is used by players and athletes to keep them cool during their game.
Oh, nice.
So this is an excellent color. Would you like to try this?
Yeah, I can try.
Your shirt size would be?
Medium.
Here you go, sir. Medium size. This will fit you.
Yeah.
And for the trial room, this way, please.
Okay.
Sir, is the fit fine?
Yes, I think so.
Wow, this looks good on you, sir.
Is it?
It fits you well.
Yeah, I think so too.
Shall I get it back then?
For sure, man.
Right away, sir.
I'll change.
Sure.
Give service, closing the sale. Confirm purchase decision. Reassure customer that they have invested in a good buy. Attempt closing the sale by using close-ended questions. Escort the customer to the cash counter. Close the sale with a question rather than a statement to complete the sales process. Always remember the 5 Gs to increase the sales and build customer loyalty. Get ready, greet, gather information, give service, goodbye. That is equal to increased sales.